Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something that I love doing on this channel, and that is going to be an unboxing slash reveal. For those of you who are new to this channel, hi, I'm Trish and I do videos on luxury bags, beauty, and sometimes funny stuff. If these are the kinds of videos that you like watching, then do click the subscribe button down below. So if you've been following me and you watched my latest bag video, then you will know that I am planning to sell my Gucci Marmont bag because I purchased a new bag, which I mentioned in the last video is very similar to the Gucci Marmont. So just a little backstory about this bag before we unbox slash reveal it. I've always wanted this bag in a different hardware color. Okay, so I just really chanced up on this bag last year, so I'm going to be fully honest with you guys and tell you that I've had this bag for about 6 months now. I bought it last year, maybe around August, and I haven't used it at all. I would just like look at it. I would take it out sometimes and just appreciate the bag. I haven't used it at all since I got it because, as I mentioned, I have the Gucci Marmont bag and it's just way too similar. So the story of this bag is that, as I said, I wanted this in a different hardware, but I chanced up on it in one of the consignment stores like about 6 months ago, and I just couldn't pass up on the price because it was being sold for such a great deal. It was a perfect size that I wanted, and I just knew that I would really be able to use this bag, so I snatched it up even if it wasn't the exact hardware that I was really going for. So without further ado, I'm just going to reveal the bag, which is over here. Now, I got this at a consignment store. Again, this is at a consignment store in Fort. I'm actually going to be making a separate video on how to buy pre-loved items and basically designer goods here in Manila. So I'm going to be making that video, and I'm going to be mentioning the names of the stores where I've previously bought some of my bags. So I'm going to be noting them down so you guys like have a guide. So subscribe to me if you haven't yet so you get notified once I put that video up. Now onto the bag. If you've already seen the thumbnail, then you know what this is. And it is, like, what else will I unbox here anyway? Duh! And it is another Chanel bag. So can you guys guess what it is? So I've mentioned that it's very similar to my Gucci Marmont and that it's a classic if you watched my previous video. So you guys might already have an idea. Now when you open it, this is what it looks like inside. So it's a magnetic flap for the box, just like the Gucci one. And inside, you have the dust bag. It came complete. So as I mentioned, I got this at a local consignment store here in Manila. So it even came complete with like the care booklet and even with a actual paper bag, which was from the store. So I love pre-loved items that come with like basically the entire package. So I found this like such a great deal for the price that I got it for. Now, the big reveal. So this is the dust bag. And can you guys guess yet what's inside? It is the Chanel reissue! Oh my god! So this is the Chanel reissue, and I know I've had it for like 6 months now, but I haven't used it yet. So I'm just so glad that I'm finally unboxing this because finally I'm going to be able to use this bag. So this bag is actually the original classic flap that Coco Chanel designed back in her time. So as you can see, like the turn lock isn't the double C's yet because the CC turn lock was actually developed by Karl Lagerfeld later in his day. So if you ask anyone from Chanel what is the classic flap and which bag was the real original design of Coco Chanel, this would be the answer to that. So as you can see, obviously it's very similar to the Gucci Marmont. I'm going to be making a separate review on the actual specifications of the bag, and I'm going to be doing like a how to wear this bag, but for the meantime I'll just take you through the bag. So this is the Chanel reissue in the size 226. So it's basically the medium size, and it's very similar in size to the Chanel medium classic flap. Now this bag, if you can see the leather, it is in distressed calfskin, which means that it already has that really distressed look, so you don't have to worry about like scratching it or whatsoever. And it has the Mademoiselle chain over here, so as you can see, like, it's very different from the typical Chanel classic flap strap. So this bag of mine comes in the antique gold hardware, and it also comes in the ruthenium hardware, which was the original bag color that I really wanted to get. But again, this was available at a really great price, so I snatched it up even before anyone could. So as you can see here, this is the original turn lock. So this is the Mademoiselle turn lock. And when it opens, it's still the double flap over here. And I love this bag because it comes in the red burgundy interior, which is just like classic Chanel. If you can see inside, the compartments are just basically your typical Chanel compartments with the lipstick compartment in the middle. It came with, of course, the authenticity card because, you know, I prefer not to purchase anything without the authenticity card. And you have the compartment at the back and another little compartment in the front. And of course, you have the half moon pocket over there at the back. So that was it for my very quick reveal of the day. Now, as I've mentioned, I'm going to be doing a full review of this where I'm going to be talking about the actual specifications of the bag, why I like the bag, a little history of the bag, and how to wear it. So if you want to see that video, then click on the subscribe button down below to be notified once I have it uploaded. I hope you guys like this very new unboxing / reveal of this bag, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!